Don't know if it's a heat pump. It's got a light scroll compressor just on. So yeah, howdy guys.
Okay guys, you remember that American Standard Allegiance 10 air conditioner here in Sun Valley? Well, it got replaced with a Goodman. It has a broad ocean fan motor and a newer Copeland scroll compressor. Let's see, it is a 5-ton from 2024. Oh wow, it's got R32 refrigerant. Has not been running. And it is a 13.4 SEER. All right. Yeah, I'm sure this unit's been doing pretty well so far. So yeah, out.